Hi everyone, it's Angus here, and today I'm going to give you an unboxing of the Truefree G1 Smart Watch. So I was very kindly sent this by Truefree. I'm currently having quite a big collaboration with them. I recently did a video on the Truefree O1 headphones, and then they very kindly also sent me the O2 headphones, so I did another video on that, and now I'm going to get a chance to look at their smartwatch. The first thing that I've noticed is that it does look exactly like a Apple Watch. There's no denying that. So let's have a look at what we've got. On the front, we have features, so it can measure calories, steps. We also have IP68 waterproof. Yeah, as I said, heart rate monitoring, and then SpO2 supported. On the side, we just have the model name. The back, we just have some specs. And some official information, so where it was manufactured. The packaging is very similar to the other products, so it's nice to see some consistency. This is the packaging of the Truefree O2 wireless earbuds. Again, I like that they have the design language that copies across the packaging. I think, yeah, it looks like they've got a nicely designed brand. Okay, so we have a QR code for the warranty, the smartwatch. Looks like we have a charging cable. It looks like this is a specific one. And then the last thing we have is the manual. Yeah, it looks quite simple, nice and easy to read. It's available in multiple languages. Okay, so it looks like it's not charged, which is a bit of a shame. But you know, these things happen. What I'm gonna have to do is obviously go charge it.
I've charged it for half an hour, and what's coming up on my screen is it's asking me to download a QR code, so we're gonna do that. So it's called Soundpeats Sports. Registering took about 2 minutes, so it was nice and simple. Now let's go to the next page. I have to select my height. So I'm 5'8". I am about 70 kilograms. So the watch has come up. So that was incredibly easy. Really impressed. That took about 2-3 minutes to set up. Really easy, really simple. Again, I do have the iPhone 15 Pro, so I do have the newest model. But yeah, very impressed by how easy that was. It feels very comfortable. I quite like that it's quite adjustable. So on my current watch, the holes are not very close together, where these ones are. So it's just more adjustable. The screen, I think, is actually bigger than my current one. And also it's really bright, which is really nice. So far, I'm actually really, really impressed by this. So let's just take a quick look through the app. So there's Bluetooth call. So I can sync my contacts. Okay, so I can select my my layout and how it looks. I'm a bit of a minimalist, but I do quite like this one. I quite like that it shows everything. Let's see how quickly that takes. Okay, so that was about 10 seconds. So updating the layout from the phone, pretty quick. So far, this looks great. I haven't done too much, and obviously I need to look at the smartwatch itself, but I'm just going through the app at the moment. Heart rate settings, you've got blood oxygen settings, you've got the phone, you've got the app, so you've got a reminder to stand up. I really like that feature. That's probably one of my favorite features in a smartwatch, so I'm very, very happy to see that. In terms of the app, I'm really, really impressed so far. It's really easy to use. It's easy to navigate. It's also quite quick. It doesn't feel clunky. It's nicely designed as well. I am actually thoroughly impressed by this. So just noticing the speed, obviously it is a little bit laggy. If we go to my current smartwatch, you'll notice that I can actually navigate around the apps quite quickly. It doesn't really feel slow at all, but with this, it is slower. But I think that is definitely expected with a product that costs, this smartwatch is about 5 times cheaper than my current one. So I think the fact that it is actually even comparable is absolutely amazing. Let's change the brightness. I quite like a bright screen personally. We've got the phone, so I can turn that on and off. I can silence it. That looks like the ability to turn on the watch screen when you lift up your wrist. I'm not sure what that feature does. So we have a second screen, daily exercise. Okay, so it shows all my data, nice and simple. Let's go to my heart rate, if it will let me. Okay, maybe these aren't actually buttons. These are just things to display. And I think for £30, I am absolutely blown away. I think normally some smartwatches feel quite cheap, and it's obviously not as nice as this one, but this one is a premium smartwatch. This can do probably 80% of what this watch can do. Obviously, it's not comparable in terms of design or quality, but I think if you need a functional smartwatch, this is actually really impressive. I think if you're looking for maybe a first smartwatch, this is a great first buy. I will be doing some more testing, but there is my my first impressions of this smartwatch. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.